Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 41, Urdu, page number 43, test number 4, math, page number 28. Count and write. We had done the exercise before. How? We will count these carrots like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. But we will write there 24. 20. 20 में 2 का साउंड आ रहा है तो 2 पहले लिखेंगे 2 and then 4. 24. Do the same practice in the classwork and also in the homework.